Good morning. We are starting on our fan sale. I've just, taped off just part of it. And we're going to take it by sections. But as you can tell, I've done started. There's a lot of color blocking. Of course, this is squares. And I think I forgot to say that this is a 50 by 70. So it's pretty big to me. I know y'all that works those huge ones, it probably don't seem too big, but for somebody that works 40 by 40s, this seems big. And I'm working here at my desk because my desk is bigger. And I have two big bags of 310. And this is how I kit it up. That way they're not scattered. And I'm just about finished with the deer. So Thursday, I will start the beach thing for Diamantita's August event. To me, doing it like this, that makes it easier for me. And it seems to help keep these squares straight. Not much is going on here today. I'm going to be, I'm going to be and it's hard to see because this is all black. This down through here is black, but over here is some black, but some other colors. I think, let's see what 31 is. Okay, let's see what H. Well, that looks black. It's a dark color. I thought it would be lighter. Oh well. As I was sitting here working on this morning in the quiet, when it's quiet in the house, no TV on, nothing, I take that time to spend it with the Lord. But I was also thinking about my blessings. And you know, sometimes we just don't take time to think how much God has blessed us. And I was thanking Him, how He's blessed me by bringing you guys into my life. So I'm so thankful for that. And just take a few minutes today and think what you're blessed for. If nothing but one thing, what are you blessed for? You know, I know there's a lot of crazy stuff going on in the world. And I hope, if nothing else you get out of this channel, is that you are blessed. No matter what goes on, you are blessed. And I hope this channel gives you hope and gives you courage. Of knowing that you're going to make it. So, I was talking to Judy this morning, and I'm already, now this is how my mind works. It was like, oh, I can't wait to get this done and get it hung. Yeah, I will be hanging this. I've figured out how to rearrange the pictures on my wall over here. I'm excited for this weekend. I'm counting down 2 more days. Now, Friday's prayer, of course. And I usually don't go on the very first day. Notice I said usually. I usually go on the last day, because the last day they're tired. They just want to get rid of the stuff. And they'll deal with you. The first day, no, you can't get no deals. Of course, by the last day, you might miss out on some good stuff. But what I look for, other people look for. And I chicken out because he goes into Tennessee. And I chicken out because it's like, I don't want to get out and get lost, you know, and then have to stop and ask somebody because, yeah. So I pretty much stay in the same area because I'm used to that area. I could I got a little crooked here. Oops, I got one sticking up. Okay. So I'm real excited for that. Now I say I won't buy clothes because I don't need them. You watch me buy clothes. Anytime I say I'm going to yarn sometime, I'm going to buy clothes. I usually buy clothes. But I'm looking for craft-related items. That's what I'm going to be hunting for. So, I saw someone had went to a real estate sale and bought a carload of diamond paintings. Of course, she was on one of the diamond painting pages on Facebook trying to sell them. I thought, no. I told myself I was on a no buy until I got everything worked on my table. Yesterday, I just added to my table. And it was like, well, I can't keep adding to my pile here on the table. Plus, I have stuff in my cart from Team. The only thing I have about diamond painting, I know the premium companies packages their diamonds in boxes. I wish the lower budget companies would do that too. Then you wouldn't get all these crinkles and stuff. That's my only suggestion I would give to them. Of course, then they claim they have to charge more for the packaging. It's nice outside, the wind's blowing, but it's still humid. I went outside just for a little bit yesterday. And by the time I come back in the house, my hair was wet. It was like, good grief. Now, I got one of those metal things that you lay down and you diamond paint through. When I pulled it up to move it, it pulled up the drills, so it didn't fit correctly. The lady up the street gave it to me. I think she's quit diamond painting. So, look at that. We've almost got that square done. This is going to be a fun one to do. Now, if you're not one that likes a lot of the same color, then this might not be for you. But if it don't bother you, these little suckers right in there. I've got something off in here. No. That's one thing about it. If you get if you get it off with a square, they'll pop quick. I think I'm going to just leave it as it is. Because it seems like the more I think that one is in, but it's I keep coming back to that one drill right there. It's like it's sticking up, but it won't mash down. Okay, move on. Move on. We've just spent way too much time on that, didn't we? Of course, if I find anything, you guys will be first to see it. Yeah, right in there. And you're going to get my honest opinion when I work these PR packages. Because I won't lie to you. And y'all just need to lay down. That one right there, I might replace it. Because it's getting on my last nerve. Well, I hope you haven't gotten bored. Since it's just one color. But yeah, that one stump right there. Pretty much feels good except that one, and I think it even looks taller. Okay, so that's our first square. Thank you for joining me this morning. You're bobbling like a bobblehead. So thank you this morning for joining me. You guys have a blessed day and take care. And this month is almost gone. Where'd it go? I don't know, but it's almost gone. Hang in there, guys. I'll see you this afternoon. Bye.